Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best of beauty and break down the products you need to know about. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect nude lipstick that feels as comfortable as it looks? Well, today, I might have just the one for you. Introducing the Too Faced Cocoa Bold Lipstick in the shade 03 Hot Chocolate. If you're a fan of luxurious creamy textures and a perfect matte finish, stay tuned. Too Faced is known for its fun, innovative products, and this lipstick is no exception. The Cocoa Bold lipstick is designed to provide a smooth, creamy texture that glides on easily, with a demi-matte finish that's neither too dry nor too shiny, just the right balance for a modern, wearable look. But here's the kicker. It smells like chocolate raspberry, a sweet, indulgent touch that sets this lipstick apart from the usual. This particular shade, 03 Hot Chocolate, is a mid-tone nude that's versatile enough to wear every day, but with enough depth to stand out in a crowd. It's a perfect blend of neutral tones, so it works beautifully with any makeup look, whether you're going for a natural vibe or a more dramatic eye. Now, let's talk about how it performs in the real world. I've been wearing this lipstick for a few days now, and one thing that really stands out is the comfort. It's lightweight, but still gives you that full coverage you expect from a matte lipstick. It doesn't dry out my lips, and the formula stays smooth, which is especially important with nudes since they can sometimes settle into lines or look chalky. The wear time is impressive too. While it's not transfer-proof like some liquid lipsticks, it holds up through sipping, light eating, and general wear. Of course, reapplication might be needed after a full meal, but that's pretty standard with a lipstick like this. Another plus, the chocolate raspberry scent is subtle but delightful. It's a small touch, but it makes the application feel a bit more luxurious. As for the pros and cons, I'll start with the pros. The texture is incredibly smooth, gliding on effortlessly. The demi-matte finish is the perfect balance, not too dry, not too shiny. 03 Hot Chocolate is a flattering nude that can suit a variety of skin tones. The chocolate raspberry scent adds a fun, indulgent twist. It's comfortable enough to wear all day without feeling dry. On the flip side, a couple of cons. It's not entirely transfer-proof, so you may need to touch up throughout the day. While the scent is pleasant, it might not be ideal for those sensitive to fragrances in their lip products. Now let's talk value for money. At 0.11 ounces, the Too Faced Cocoa Bold lipstick is priced higher than your average drugstore lipstick. But for that price, you're getting a luxury feel, a comfortable formula, and a unique scent experience that makes it feel worth the splurge. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but the quality and comfort make it a solid investment if you're looking for a go-to nude that doesn't sacrifice comfort for style. As for comparisons, if you're looking for a similar feel, but at a lower price point, there are some great drugstore alternatives. For example, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink has a long-lasting formula, though it tends to be more matte and less creamy. Another option might be NYX's Matte Lipstick, which offers a good range of nude shades and a similar texture, but without the added luxury feel or fragrance. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels substantial. It's not overly bulky, so it's easy to toss in your bag, but it doesn't feel cheap either. The lipstick itself glides smoothly with a well-constructed bullet that helps with precise application. As far as longevity goes, this lipstick will last you a while, both in terms of how long you can wear it during the day and how long it'll sit in your makeup collection without drying out. The formula is creamy and moisturizing, so you won't have to worry about it becoming brittle or difficult to apply over time. So, is this lipstick worth it? In my opinion, if you love a comfortable, everyday nude with a unique twist, the Too Faced Cocoa Bold lipstick is a solid option. It's ideal for those who want a luxury lipstick experience that feels just as good as it looks. I'd recommend it to anyone who enjoys a hydrating matte lipstick that isn't too high maintenance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Too Faced Cocoa Bold lipstick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.